Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to put a mainboard on the Epson ET-2550. Lots of people asked if you can do the installation. Yeah, here it is. And we work in the lab, so there'll be some noises in the background, okay?
Hey guys, it's Abby here. So with my finger right there, I was just showing you this small lever. It's black. It's a small little lever at the bottom of the far left side of the mainboard. That's what holds that mainboard in place. So in this video, I will be talking about how to put a mainboard back into an ET-2550 Epson printer. So what I'm doing right now is making sure that my cables are connected again along with my FFC cables. So I'm putting those in, plugging them in, and you'll see again, here's where I pull on that lever. And when you pull that lever back, it's pretty easy to just slide in the main board where you think it should line up, and you can go ahead and release the lever. That will hold it in place, plugging in those far FFC cables on the left. And so not only is that black lever on the far bottom left going to hold it into place, we also have a few screws. So there's one screw on the right side of the main board, and there's one screw there in the middle. Now, to reach on the screw on the far left, there's this cover on the back of the printer. As you can see, I just lifted it up, and there's a little cutout area where you just stick your drill under there. And that's how I put that last screw in there. There's a little tab here. There's one there, and there's one on the other side of this side cover to the printer. So here's where I'm lining up those tabs and pressing that side cover in. Now, here's this long back piece that goes over top of the main board and any wires, FC cables, or anything. You can see this covers up that back little FC cable there. Now, this will go on last, but I'm putting it on first here just to show. But you'll see there's these two holes. Now, what are those holes for? Okay, I'm going to tell you. So they are basically a tab. There's these two notches right here, and basically you just snap it on and holds into place like that. Super easy, real quick and fast. All right, so I took it off because you need to put in the cable first for the scanner. Once that cable's on there, you can go ahead and put on that long back tab that I just showed you. Snap the tabs onto the notches, but basically plug this scanner FFC cable in the back and slide it on to the hinges and put that back tab on, and you are all set to go. Happy printing, everyone.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.